Apple released the iPad Mini 7 in October last year, featuring modest upgrades such as the A17 Pro processor, support for the Apple Pencil 2, and Apple Intelligence integration. While the 7th generation iPad Mini boasts a larger 8.3-inch display, the screen still leaves room for improvement. That said, a potential upgrade might arrive in the third quarter of next year. According to Chinese leaker Instant Digital on Weibo, Apple is reportedly preparing to launch the iPad Mini 8 in Q3 2026 with an OLED display. If this proves true, the iPad Mini would become the second iPad to feature an OLED screen, following the iPad Pro. A leaked roadmap from market research firm Omdia previously suggested that Apple plans to introduce OLED panels to more products, including the 11-inch and 13-inch iPad Air models in 2027. The roadmap also alleged that all Apple products are expected to switch to OLED panels by 2030. Moreover, reports have indicated that Apple is also working on redesigned MacBook Pro models featuring OLED displays, set to launch in 2026. Back to the iPad Mini 8, the compact tablet is expected to feature the A19 Pro chip previously seen in the iPhone Air. With that in mind, another potential upgrade could be increasing the RAM from 8 GB to 12 GB. Interestingly, Bloomberg reported in October that Apple has been testing a water-resistant, redesigned casing for the OLED iPad Mini. The company is reportedly experimenting with a new speaker system that uses vibration-based technology, eliminating the need for traditional speaker holes that could allow water to enter the device. That's a different approach than the iPhone's water-resistant design, which retains holes but adds gaskets and adhesives to prevent damage, the report added. Moreover, the same Bloomberg report suggested that adding an OLED display to the iPad Mini could increase its cost, potentially making the device at least $100 more expensive. Apple iPad Mini 8 OLED display could redefine the compact tablet experience. 181 views November 28, 2025, 1:10 p.m. Updated on November 28, 2025, 1:10 p.m. Shaljabisht. Apple's iPad Mini 8 is expected in Q4 2026 with an OLED display, a 19 Pro chip, and possible design upgrades. While refresh rate may remain 60 Hz, the device promises richer colors, better contrast, and improved performance for compact tablet users. Reportedly preparing a major upgrade for its compact tablet line. The iPad Mini 8, expected to launch in the third quarter of 2026, may be the first mini iPad to feature an OLED display, moving away from traditional LCD panels. This change could dramatically enhance the visual experience for users who rely on a small but powerful device. Why OLED displays matter for the iPad Mini. OLED technology is widely praised for its ability to deliver vivid colors, deeper blacks, and higher contrast compared to LCD screens. Each pixel in an OLED display emits its own light, allowing for precise control over brightness and color reproduction. For iPad Mini users, this means improved media experience. Videos, games, and photos will appear more vibrant and immersive. Better color accuracy. Artists, designers, and content creators can enjoy more reliable tones and shades when sketching or editing images. Potential for slimmer design. OLED panels are thinner than LCDs, which could make the device feel lighter and more compact in the hand. Even with a smaller screen, an OLED display can transform daily interactions, from reading and browsing to streaming and drawing. What are the rumored features and upgrades of iPad Mini 8? OLED display offers a significant visual upgrade. Certain features like the refresh rate may remain unchanged. This means that while the screen will look sharper and colors richer, smoothness for animations and Apple Pencil interactions may be similar to previous models. What remains unclear? Several details about the iPad Mini 8 are still uncertain. Whether the OLED display will eventually support higher refresh rates beyond 60 Hz. How bright and energy efficient the new panel will be compared with the iPad Pro's advanced OLED. The exact impact of water resistance and the redesigned speaker system on size, weight, or durability. These factors could influence user experience, especially for professionals who rely on fast responsiveness and high-end display performance. Why does this upgrade matter for users? The potential introduction of an OLED display and upgraded hardware could make the iPad Mini 8 a compelling choice for Media enthusiasts, videos, streaming, and games will appear sharper and more vibrant. Creative professionals, improved color accuracy benefits sketching, photo editing, and note-taking. Frequent tablet users. With the A19 Pro chip, the Mini could handle demanding tasks efficiently, making it suitable for work on the go. Outdoor or long-term users. OLED panels can offer better battery efficiency and improved readability in various lighting conditions. For developers, students, or casual users who value portability without sacrificing performance, the OLED iPad mini could be the most attractive compact tablet Apple has released. Should you wait for the iPad mini 8? If display quality, color accuracy, and overall performance are top priorities, then waiting for the OLED iPad mini 8 makes sense. The upgrade could significantly enhance both work and entertainment experiences. However, if you need a tablet immediately or the current iPad mini 7 meets your needs, there's little harm in purchasing the existing model. It remains a capable and portable device, suitable for everyday use. Key takeaways. The iPad mini 8 is expected to launch in Q4 2026 with an OLED display. OLED brings deeper blacks, brighter colors, and improved contrast, making media consumption and creative tasks more enjoyable. Performance is likely to improve with the A19 Pro chip and potential design upgrades like water resistance and a new speaker system. Refresh rate may remain at 60 Hz, so interaction speed may not see a major boost. Users who value display quality and portability should consider waiting. Others can continue using the current iPad mini with confidence. OLED iPad mini 8 rumors. A 19 Pro chip, water-resistant design, and a new OLED screen. But is a 2026 release and a $100 price hike worth the wait? Apple's smallest tablet may be getting its biggest ever upgrade. After the iPad mini 7's modest refresh, rumors are swirling that the next generation iPad mini is not only close to launch, but will feature the one piece of technology fans have been dreaming of, an OLED screen. But what else should we expect from the successor that could finally perfect the mini formula? Read on as we break down everything we know. Apple appears to be planning a massive performance leap for the next iPad mini, codenamed J510/J511. According to information mistakenly shared by Apple in August, the device is set to feature the A19 Pro chip. This is the same family of chip that debuted in the iPhone Air and iPhone 17 Pro models. The iPhone 17 Pro models use the high-end A19 Pro with a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU. It is likely the iPad mini 8 will receive the mid-tier A19 Pro chip found in the iPhone Air, which features one fewer GPU core. This follows Apple's current strategy, as the iPad mini 7's A17 Pro chip has a 5-core GPU compared to the 6-core GPU in the iPhone 15 Pro. Built on an upgraded third-generation 3nm N3P process, the A19 Pro should deliver modest speed and efficiency gains. It also includes an upgraded 16-core neural engine for AI tasks and a new GPU architecture with dynamic caching, a larger cache, and built-in neural accelerators. Apple claims this provides 3 times the peak GPU compute power over the prior generation chip. It is also expected that the new iPad mini will see a RAM upgrade, potentially to 8 GB, to better support the new chip and AI features. The display we've waited for. What an OLED iPad mini screen means. The most anticipated change is, without a doubt, the display. Apple's plan to transition the iPad mini from LCD to OLED is widely rumored. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has suggested the small tablet will be the next Apple device to adopt the technology. According to a leaker with supply chain sources, Apple has already evaluated a Samsung-made OLED display for the next model. An OLED panel would be transformative, offering per-pixel control for perfect blacks, superior contrast, and more precise, vibrant color reproduction. It also offers faster response times and better viewing angles. A key question for fans will be whether the new display technology and its assembly finally resolve the jelly scroll screen tearing effect that was noticeable on previous models. However, other key questions remain. It is unclear if the OLED iPad mini will finally get a higher refresh rate. The current model is stuck at 60 Hz, but with the new base iPhone 17 now using a 120 Hz promotion panel, it would. Be reasonable to expect the same for a premium mini. We may also see a size increase, with one report suggesting the screen could grow from 8.3 inches to 8.7 inches. But do not expect the same quality as the iPad Pro. The OLED iPad mini will likely use a single-stack low-temperature polycrystalline silicon (LTPS) panel, which would be dimmer than the two-stack low-temperature polycrystalline oxide (LTPO) panels found in the Pro models.